Hey YouTube, it's me, Charles, getting back on. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make quick loads for your BB gun rifle. They look something like this. It's kind of dangerous, but whatever. Anyways, just like in all my other videos, I might sound like a duck, but I don't care. So what you need for this is a straw, just like this. Lots of BBs. I got camo ammo, favorite. Also have the little 500 pack, because that is awesome. Bit of tape. Bit of felt, like that. Yeah, just a bit. That's all you need. And some thread. Well, oh, and of course, scissors. Sorry, recording off YouTube, it's not very good quality. But, okay, so, first, this is disassembling it. Pull that off. Now, there. Oh, and of course you need your rifle magazine. Now, just say, okay, now, just, put however many bullets of, how much your magazine can hold in some enclosed area. Like, my rifle holds 20, so they're in here. Just can't see them. And yeah, so first gonna get my straw, and then gonna wrap tape around one end of it. I don't think you can really see that, but hope you can. And yep, and then leave the other end open, like that. Now for the end stuffing, this. So you get your little piece of fabric. Well, you can probably use other stuff, but this is what I used. So fabric, take off a little tip of tape and just take some thread and just tape it on like that. Then, yeah, that's kind of how you make that. Then, take your straw, fill it with however many BBs that you have. Well, that your magazine fits. Mine fits 20. I think I already said that, but whatever. May as well say it again. So just put them all in. Put a little pop up. Hey, sorry. Screen went asleep. That must mean it's been 3 minutes or more. Righty, there you've got your thingy-mabopper, your thing. Now you're going to take your felt. This one's just broke, so I'll get my other one. There we go. Sorry. And yeah, just roll it up nicely, and then stick it in the end. You might have to like lick your fingers and just kind of twirl it up, but and there you go. There's your quick load. Now take the magazine of your gun. Yes, I know this is a plastic gun, but has a see-through magazine, so yeah, we'll just use this to show you. Sorry. Just pull it down. Now pop off the top. Pop. Then you just kind of stuff it in there. Then pour them in. Sorry. And there you've got completely full magazine. Ta-da. And to refill it, say like you're done around and you have a completely full magazine, just put up. Well, I have a spring-loaded magazine, so just flip mine upside down and let it rip. And there we have it. And that is my tutorial, how to make a fast load. I also make fingerboarding video if you want to check those out. Go ahead. Not like I'm protecting myself from danger. But anyways, that's how to make a fast load that load pretty fast. Yeah. Wait. Don't know how to stop it. Hello. Hey, that button. Oh, by the way, my S key fell off my computer. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think I figured it out.